In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with TSB Mobile through a full tutorial. This guide will help you get started with TSB's online banking features so you're able to manage your finances more conveniently and securely right from your device. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to TSB's online banking login page. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to register and eventually manage your account. If you're new to online banking, don't worry, you're in the right place to start. On this page, you're going to look for the option that says Register Online. Go ahead and click on this to kick off the registration process. Now that you're on the registration page, it's time to enter your essential details. You'll need to have your sort code and account number handy, as well as your date of birth. These are required to set up your online banking profile accurately. Once you have those, you'll also want to create a unique username. Choose something memorable but secure, as this will be your primary identifier when accessing your accounts. With your initial information set up, the next step is to verify your identity. Here you have a couple of options. You can either enter the last 4 digits of your debit card number or answer a few security questions designed to confirm you're the account holder. After that, TSB will ask you to confirm your identity further with a code sent via SMS or email. This is an essential step to ensure your account remains secure and only accessible by you. Once your identity is verified, it's time to set a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to make it hard to guess. If prompted, it's also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication or 2FA, adding another layer of security to your online banking experience. This means for each login attempt, you'll have to provide a secondary authentication method, like a code sent to your mobile device. We're almost there. Now that you've got everything set up, it's time to log in for the first time. Return to the TSB Banking login page, enter your newly created username and password, and follow the prompts. Finally, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions before accessing your account. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the setup for TSB Mobile Online Banking. Now you're ready to manage your finances securely and effortlessly from your own device. Remember to keep your login details safe and secure, and enjoy the convenience of online banking. Thanks for watching, and happy banking with TSB.